afternoon. I'm SK Shivabargavi of 6th Standard F section. My project is about Pamban Bridge. I'm going to talk about the Pamban Bridge. The Pamban Bridge is the first sea railway bridge in India. It is the longest sea bridge in India. It connects the main town Mandapam with Rameswaram on the Pamban Island. It is built on the Bay of Bengal on Park Strait. It is built by a German engineer named Scherzer in the year 1914. The length of the Pamban Bridge is 2.2 km long and it is the most longest bridge in our India. It has 143 piers. This works in the law of Pascal's law. Pascal's law's principle is fluid mechanism that was given by Blaise Pascal. When there is an increase in pressure at any time, then there is an equal increase at every point in a container. So our Pamban Bridge is a cantilever bridge. What is a cantilever? Cantilever means a structure that is anchored at only one of its point and the other end is freely can project horizontally into space without any support. This Pamban Bridge has 143 piers and has two bascule sections which can be lifted to leave the ships pass away. And our Pamban Bridge, each Pamban Bridge bascules are weighted 145 tons. So these two help to make the boat pass away. After long time, the newly technically constructed Pamban Bridge will come into extensions on December 2023, will permanently replace the Pamban Bridge into a new mechanism called as vertical lift mechanism. So after 100 years of working of our grand majestic Pamban Bridge will turn into a majestic one. We are very proud to have such a majestic UNESCO heritage building and we are proud to say that. Thank you.